Hi, hello everyone. A warm welcome to all of you to this new academic year. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. I am Shilpa, knowing me, and I am teaching you science. You have studied about the nutrition plants, isn't it? What is the method or the mode of nutrition plants? They prepare their own food, isn't it? They have plants have a speciality that they have chlorophyll pigment. So they can prepare their own food, they are independent. But what is in the case of animals? Do they prepare their own food? No. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on animals and all other organisms other than plants depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Animals and all other organisms depend on plants directly or indirectly for their food. So in this chapter we will study about the nutrition in animals. Nutrition in animals. So, what's meant by nutrition? Nutrition is the mode or method of taking food by an organism. Nutrition is the mode or method of taking food by an organism. It depends on each and every organism. The method of nutrition or mode of taking food in each and every organism is different. All organisms take food. Animals also take food. They eat on other animals or plants. Either they eat other plants or other animals for their food. And this food contains nutrients. What are nutrients? Yes, nutrients are the components of food. What do you mean by nutrients? Nutrients are components of food. So, what are the components of food? Or what are the nutrients of food present in food? Carbohydrate, that you know, carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins, fats, minerals. These are the components or nutrients of a food. And for when we take food to get these nutrients. Why do we eat food? We eat food to get these nutrients. And we take food as it is. We do not take nutrients. We take food or we eat food. And after reaching in the stomach, this food should be break down. The food has to be broken down to get the nutrients. We take food as it is. And to get nutrients, this food item should be broken down. It should be break down. So, the food item should break down to get these nutrients or to make it into simpler substances. The food item should be break down into simpler substances. This process is called digestion. So, what is digestion? The breakdown of a complex substance. Complex substance means food. The breakdown of food is a complex substance of or a mixture of various nutrients. Food is a mixture of various nutrients or it is a complex substance. is called digestion. So what is digestion? Once again, what is digestion? The breakdown of a complex substance into simpler substance. This is called digestion. Then different organisms use or develop different ways of taking food. At the different organisms adopted different methods of taking food, and we have to study the mode of or method of taking food or the nutrition in human beings or digestion in human beings. We have to study the process of digestion in human beings. Digestion in human beings. What is digestion? The process of breakdown of complex substance into simpler ones. That means the food is broken down into nutrients. That is the process of digestion. And in human beings, we know we take food through our mouth. We take food through our mouth and it passes through a large continuous canal, and the nutrient food is broken down into simpler substances, and after digestion some waste materials are produced and they are excreted outwards. And for this process, the food passes through a continuous canal. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at our mouth or buccal cavity and ends in anus. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at our mouth or buccal cavity. Mouth is otherwise known as buccal cavity and ends in anus. That tract or food pipe or continuous canal is called alimentary canal. The continuous canal through which food passes is called alimentary canal. The food passes through a continuous canal starting from our mouth and ends in anus, and that continuous canal is called alimentary canal. And there are various compartments for this alimentary canal, and the first one is buccal cavity, second one is food pipe or esophagus, then third one stomach, fourth one small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum and anus. Then the parts of the alimentary canal are first one buccal buccal cavity. It includes mouth, teeth, salivary glands, tongue, etc. Then second one food pipe or esophagus. Then third one stomach. Then fourth one small intestine. Then fifth one large intestine. And sixth one rectum. And the last one anus. These are the parts of alimentary canal. The alimentary canal is divided into different compartments. The compartments are first one buccal cavity. It includes teeth, tongue and salivary glands. Then food pipe or esophagus. Then third one stomach. Fourth one small intestine. Fifth one large intestine. Sixth one rectum and seventh one anus. These parts or various compartments together constitute the alimentary canal or digestive tract. Alimentary canal or digestive Okay, thank you children. We will continue in next class.